Ready? Today I'm going to do some dance. So now I'm gonna do a handstand. So you have to you have to put your hands on the ground like this, and you have to kick up, and then you land. So yeah. So now it's the cartwheel. So do this. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want to hurt that again. What else? Walking handstand, yes. Can't walk that much now. Ta-da! So now heel stretch. Okay. Peace. Thanks for watching this. What is going? Tommy?
Is my phone that fall on there?
No.
What's it fall down?
I slipped.
On my phone fall.
No.
I don't know the phone.
Thanks for watching this video, and like and subscribe for more bloopers. Yee.